Hey everyone, Ray Del Vecchio here. I'm going to show you how to do 301 redirects within WordPress. And this is very important if you're redesigning a website for a client, because they might have their entire website indexed in Google, already getting search traffic, and if the URL structure changes when you update the website, if you don't put those 301 redirects in place, you can lose a lot of traffic through the search engines, and it's going to drastically affect your SEO because any links that you had built to those specific URLs are going to be lost. So a good example, and the one you'll see a lot, is a website was built with either HTML or PHP. So a lot of times the URL will be something like /about.html, and what you want to do is you want to redirect that to your new WordPress URL, which is generally going to be just /about, or that could be whatever you name the page. But for my case, it's /about. So that's what we're going to do, and we're going to do this with a plugin. The one that I like to use for 301 redirects is called Simple 301 Redirects. If you just search for 301 redirect, you'll probably find a handful of different plugins that can do this. Actually, I don't need to search there. I got to click Add New first. That was just for installed plugins. I'm going to search New Plugins, and we'll do Simple 301 Redirects. Search that, and it should be the first one to pop up here. And you'll see they have the main plugin with 100,000 plus installs. And they also have this add-on, which is a bulk uploader, which allows you to upload via a CSV spreadsheet. So this is useful if you're redesigning a website that has a ton of pages, say 20, 30 or more pages. You're not going to want to do that manually. But for right now, since I'm just going to show you a couple examples, I will just install this Simple 301 Redirects plugin without the uploader. So let me activate it. And this will bring a menu under the settings here. So I'm going to go into Settings, 301 Redirects. And it's as simple as this. They give you the example, actually, of that /about.html. So you just put in your page relative to the root domain. So you do /, and again, in this example, we're going to say about.html. And then for the destination, you can see here in the example, they want you to put in the full URL. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. And that is all you do to do a 301 redirect. You save the changes, and when you save the changes, you can add new ones right under it. A new box will pop up after you save those changes. So that's all you have to do to add 301 redirects from a previous page on a website to the new redesigned page URL structure. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And you can go to my website, which is websiteprofitcourse.com, where I talk about building client websites and managing them using WordPress and other online marketing techniques.